my MacBook broke down. Can't work anymore. My MacBook died. Can I borrow a MacBook for 2 days? Please.
Yeah, but on one condition.
What?
I want full box of Ferrero Rocher.
Ferrero Rocher?
Yeah.
Pakka.
Ah.
Fine, I'll place the order right away, and after that, can I use your Mac?
एक हाथ पे एक हाथ में.
Done. I'll Zepto it right away.
A few moments later.
What?
When will I get my MacBook back?
Give me 1 or 2 days, please.
It's already 2 days now.
Give me 1 or 2 days.
Several days later.
Bhavit, it's been 1 week now. Ferrero is also finished. I want my MacBook back right now. Go and get yourself.
Hey everyone, today is an exciting day as I'm going to unbox the MacBook M2 Pro. By the looks of it, you can say that Apple has gone all out with its design. The new MacBook Pro is absolutely incredible. From the moment you lay your eyes on it, you will be captivated by its stunning look and feel. The combination of minimalism and elegance is a true testament to Apple's amazing aesthetic design. It's not just a laptop, it's a work of art that you can carry with you everywhere you go. Whether you're a creative professional or simply someone who appreciates beautiful design, the MacBook M2 Pro is sure to leave a lasting impression. I already had the space gray MacBook 2020, but this time I chose to go with silver. I'm pretty excited about this particular color. Now let's take a closer look at what's inside the box. We can find the essential items, the charging cable, the adapter, and the device. Meanwhile, the adapter serves as the bridge between the charging cable and the power outlet, enabling you to conveniently charge your device wherever you are with the magnetic plug. Meanwhile, the adapter serves as a bridge between the charging cable and the power outlet, enabling you to conveniently charge your device wherever you are with a magnetic plug and charge, which was not there in my previous MacBook 2020. Now let's talk about some specs. This bad boy is powered by an M2 Pro chip, which ensures incredible performance. With its advanced architecture, minimal design, this device delivers a blazing fast speed and responsiveness. With a total of 12 powerful cores and 16 GB of RAM, it truly stands out as a powerhouse, which is capable of handling demanding tasks effortlessly. Whether you are multitasking, editing high-resolution videos, or playing graphics-intensive games, this device will exceed your expectations and provide an unparalleled user experience. The display is vibrant and super sharp, and the keyboard is a real joy to type on. Apple's attention to detail is truly remarkable. In the real world scenarios, this laptop impresses. From smooth multitasking to handling intensive tasks like video editing, designing, switching between different multiple softwares is just a piece of cake. Creatives will adore the color accuracy and the sharpness of this display. I've been using this device for 3 months and it has been a complete game changer in my workflows. Whether it's designing, content creation, or switching between applications every now and then, it just handles flawlessly. Now let me get into the minor nitty-gritties and the pros and cons of this particular device. Starting with the heart of this machine, the initial M1 chip took the whole world by a storm with its flawless execution. Now enter the M2 Pro. It is built upon the foundation of M1 Pro, but it has a lot of upgrades to it. The main difference between the M2 MacBook Pros and the M1 MacBook Pros is that the new Pro and Max chips, it delivers 25 to 30% more improvements in GPU performance and more efficient in CPU scores, and a slight improvement in the battery life. The M2 Pro includes multi-cores, high clock speed, and much more upgrades to it. Now, however, there was one area that I noticed that M2 Pro machines kind of performed a little worse when it comes to the fan noise. It was a lot easier to get the fan kicking and starting to make noises while you were working on multiple applications. But then again, thanks to macOS Sonoma upgrades, this problem is solved now. But let me tell you, the pros weigh much more than the cons that I mentioned. The seamless integration of the software and the device with the stunning display and the overall user experience makes this as a top contender in the laptop market today. As a designer myself, I have been using this device for last 3 months. Its performance, reliability, and the sheer quality of the display have truly transformed how I approach all my design projects. For designers looking for uncompromising performance and seamless workflow, this could be your ultimate design companion for sure. If you're a professional looking for a top-tier performance or a creative needing a reliable workhorse, this laptop could be your best companion. Ultimately, the decision to upgrade to a MacBook M2 Pro boils down to multiple factors. It could be individual needs, model offers, your budget considerations, and specific requirements here and there. So basically, I would suggest that you take your time, weigh these factors closely before making these decisions. Now since I have my new MacBook Pro, it's time to give this back to Reena. Here's your MacBook back. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing video and the review journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Until next time, see you.